Hello travel enthusiasts, welcome back to iVisa's YouTube channel, your go-to place for everything you need to know about travel documentation. Have you heard of the Brazil eVisa? Well, today we'll be talking about that, so get ready to start planning that trip to Brazil. A Brazil eVisa is a digital travel authorization that allows travellers from select countries to enter Brazil for tourism, business and short-term visits. Initially introduced as a modern, streamlined method for travellers to enter Brazil, the eVisa was part of a broader initiative to boost tourism and make the visa application process more accessible and efficient. This document serves as a record for the immigration authorities, helping them assess your purpose of visit and ensuring your stay aligns with the country's regulations. A properly completed form significantly reduces the chances of issues at customs. If you're planning to visit Brazil and its vibrant culture and festivities, December to March is a perfect time to experience the colourful carnivals, lush rainforests and iconic landmarks. But if you're looking to connect with nature and explore the Amazon and Pantanal, the best time to travel to Brazil is June to November. So you may ask, am I eligible for a Brazil e-visa? The thing is, not everybody needs a visa to access Brazil, and the country offers different types of visas depending on your nationality. If you have a passport from Australia, Canada or the United States, and you're planning to visit Brazil for tourism or business purposes, starting from April 10th of 2024, you'll need to apply for a Brazil e-visa. However, it's advisable to stay updated on any further changes, as the Brazilian government seems to be a little uncertain about the date of implementation. But don't worry, we'll keep you informed. So, when the time comes to apply for the e-visa, you'll be able to start the application process throughout their official website. We'll also leave a link in the comments. Of course, you'll be able to simplify the application process if you do it through iVisa.com, as we streamline the process and make it super easy for you. Still, if you choose to apply and fill the form in by yourself, stay in the video and we'll tell you the step-by-step that you need to know. First of all, you'll need to complete the application form, and there are some tips to do it correctly and avoid errors and rejections. Number 1, start by carefully reading through the application form to understand what information is needed. Number 2, choose for whom you're applying, yourself or someone else. Number 3, enter your country of citizenship and where you currently live. Number 4, provide your passport details, specifically the passport number and expiration date. Number 5, enter your personal information, your name, the date of birth and contact details. Number 6, outline your travel details. Number 7, attach the required documents, which we'll specify in this video. Number 8, apply and pay for the visa fee using the available payment methods like credit cards or bank transfers. Remember that at iVisa, we accept those methods and also PayPal payments. Number 9, once you submit your application, wait for approval through your visa. Whether you go through the process yourself or choose iVisa to do it, you'll receive it by email. Now, you may want to know the e-visa application requirements. In that case, you'll need to gather the following: a valid passport, ensure it has 1 month's validity beyond your application date and contain at least 2 blank pages for stamps. A recent coloured passport photo. This should be taken at plain white background and meet the standard passport photo requirements, 2x2. Detailed travel itinerary. Be prepared to provide evidence for your travel plans, such as flight tickets and accommodation bookings, to outline the purpose and duration of your visit. Your visa application form completed online. The visa fee payment. The government fee for this visa is around $80. Other supporting documents. Depending on the nature of your visit, additional documents may be required. For instance, if you plan to visit family or friends in Brazil, you might need an invitation letter from your host. Or you may need to provide evidence like bank or credit card statements to show that you support yourself during your stay in Brazil. Also, if you're travelling with people under 18, you need to gather additional requirements as the following: original birth certificate and 1 copy. Authorization for issuance of Brazilian visa for a minor signed by both parents. For children of Brazilian parents, a document declaring that the applicant is not a Brazilian citizen, does not hold a Brazilian birth certificate, signed by Brazilian parents. If only one parent is listed on the birth certificate, only that parent's signature is required. If one of the parents has sole custody of the applicant, a notarized copy of the court order awarding sole custody and exclusive parental rights must be presented. If one parent is deceased, a death certificate must be presented. A copy of passports or other forms of photo ID of both parents. The name of the parent's photo ID must match the parent's name of the child's birth certificate. If said parent has changed his or her name since issuance of the birth certificate, the parent must present the document showing proof of the name change. Sounds like a lot. Let us guide you and help you through the process. Doing it through iVisa makes the whole process smooth. We have more than 10 years of experience helping travellers apply to travel documents hassle-free. You'll experience a streamlined and supportive visa application process, which includes professional review and application assistance, ensuring you get extra help and ease through the process. You can apply through iVisa.com at any time. If you want some tips on how to submit your application, we've made a list just for you to ensure you have successful Brazilian e-visa application. Please follow these tips. Double check your information. Confirm that details like your name, date of birth, and passport number are exactly as they appear on your passport. Common mistakes include typos or using outdated information. Quality of passport photo. Your photo must be recent, clear, and in colour, with a plain white background. Avoid using hats or sunglasses and maintain neutral facial expressions. A photo that doesn't meet these standards can lead to application delays. Review your application thoroughly. Before submitting, review your application to catch any errors. This is crucial, as even small mistakes can impact the approval of your eVisa. Apply in advance. Start your application process well ahead of your planned date travel. Last-minute applications risk being incomplete or rushed, which increases your likelihood of errors. Avoid rushing through the application. Take your time to fill the form. Rushing often leads to mistakes that could be easily avoided. Check document expiry dates. Ensure your passport or other necessary documents are valid at the time of application and for the duration of your trip. Answer all questions fully. Incomplete answers can be a red flag. Make sure every question is answered thoroughly and accurately. The Brazil eVisa is valid for 2 years from the date of issuance, as long as the passport you used to apply remains valid. The maximum duration of the stay in Brazil with an eVisa is 90 days per year. Remember that this eVisa allows you to do activities such as tourism, business, transit, sports, visiting family or friends, participating in athletic and artistic events, attending scientific or academic seminars hosted by prestigious institutions, volunteering, and also journalism. There you have it, a comprehensive guide to filling out the Brazil eVisa application form. Don't forget, in case you need help with your application, iVisa is here to simplify the process and boost your travel experience. Ready to start planning your journey to Brazil? Let us help you with that. And if you found this information valuable, don't forget to subscribe for more travel insights and visa updates. Until next time, safe travels!